Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most important services in cloud computing, Amazon EC2. If you understand EC2 properly, you unlock the ability to run scalable applications, deploy servers globally, and design real-world cloud architectures used in modern software systems. Today we will discuss the following topics: AWS EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, instance types and families, EC2 storage options, auto-scaling groups, and production EC2 best practices. AWS EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud. An EC2 instance is a virtual server in the AWS cloud that gives you full control over an operating system, installed software, and network configuration. You can launch an instance within minutes using an Amazon machine image, which acts as a template for the operating system. Once launched, you can choose how much CPU, memory, and networking power you need. EC2 instances run inside a virtual private cloud and are protected using security groups, which act as virtual firewalls. This makes EC2 a flexible and powerful foundation for running applications in the cloud. Instance types and families. EC2 instance types are grouped into families based on the type of workload they are designed for. General-purpose instances like T3 and M6i provide a balanced mix of CPU and memory for most applications. Compute-optimized instances like C6i are designed for high CPU workloads, such as APIs and back-end services. Memory-optimized instances like R6i are used for databases and caching systems that require large RAM. Accelerated computing instances like G5 and INF2 are designed for AI and machine learning workloads. Each instance type follows a naming pattern that helps identify its generation and performance, allowing you to choose the most efficient option for your workload. EC2 storage options. EC2 provides multiple storage options depending on performance and durability needs. EBS GP3 is the default persistent SSD storage that remains available even after stopping an instance. For high-performance workloads like databases, IO2 provides higher input-output performance. Instance Store offers extremely fast local NVMe storage, but is temporary and gets deleted when the instance stops or terminates. EFS provides shared file storage that can be accessed by multiple EC2 instances at the same time. These options allow you to design storage according to speed, cost, and durability requirements. Auto-scaling groups. Auto-scaling groups automatically manage the number of EC2 instances based on demand. You define minimum, desired, and maximum number of instances, and AWS automatically adjusts capacity based on traffic or performance metrics like CPU usage. When demand increases, new instances are launched, and when demand decreases, extra instances are removed. Auto-scaling groups also distribute instances across multiple availability zones and replace unhealthy instances automatically, ensuring high availability and cost efficiency without manual intervention. Production EC2 best practices. In production environments, EC2 should be configured with security, reliability, and automation in mind. Instances should be placed in private subnets without public IPs, and access should be managed using AWS Systems Manager instead of SSH. IAM roles should be used for permissions instead of storing credentials on instances. IAM-DS v2 should be enabled to protect against metadata attacks. Monitoring should be enabled using CloudWatch, and patching should be automated using Systems Manager. Regular backups should be created using EBS snapshots to ensure data safety and disaster recovery. Conclusion. In conclusion, Amazon EC2 is a powerful and flexible cloud computing service that allows you to run virtual servers with full control over configuration, storage, and networking. We explored how EC2 instances work, how different instance types are used for different workloads, the various storage options available, how auto-scaling ensures scalability and reliability, and the best practices required for production environments. Mastering EC2 is essential for building scalable, secure, and production-ready applications in the cloud. Thank you for watching.